So this is the core of the system, Steve?
Yes, yeah. So again, we ship it internationally, so that's why you see the core like it is. It's a 1,700 gallon rainwater collection system as well. So that's what that whole upper tier is.
Okay.
That's the rainwater cistern, and you're able to use that water, you know, for toilets. And I recommend that you use it for the drip irrigation around the home to beautify it. If we turn around here, you're going to see our ADU that's built in the factory. And it's got a rather big footprint, even though it's only 440 square feet footprint. You'll see here that there is no FP&L connections for this because this is a completely solar operated home.
So this is an actual granny flat.
It is,
Okay.
and it's a 10 kilowatt inverter that accepts propane and gas. It's also got two 10,000 kilowatt lithium ion storage batteries. So in the event there's no sun for days, the storage batteries are more than overkill. I've had solar people come in and say we overkilled it, and that's what we did for this.
This is cool. So look, this one's got a little overhang on it. We're going to walk in and show you this granny flat. A pop pad. We're coming up with new terms for it, whatever you want to call it, but accessory dwelling unit. The floors. Look at this, y'all. This is super nice. So, all right. What do we got, Steve?
So what we have here is we have an option to go with a gas cooktop, or
Okay.
you can go with the two-burner induction cooktop.
Okay.
It does have a convection oven as well as a microwave. It does have a dishwasher.
This blew me away. I can't believe you have a dishwasher. That is so cool.
Of course, it comes with the garbage disposal. This is a complete home in a box and gets delivered just like what you see. So it comes with the refrigerator, the flooring, everything.
This is nice. I mean, I've been in some ADUs and, you know, they've got like the little mini fridge, right? Mini sink.
Yeah.
And some don't even have a cooktop, so you just have a microwave.
Yeah, we built this for off-grid living as well, so it can be solar. And
of course, they all, like I said, y'all said hurricane rated.
oh, absolutely.
Impact
Cat 5,
windows.
Cat 5 to 180 miles an hour winds, and Cat 5 it starts at 155.
Nice.
So we well exceeded that.
Hey, talk about the AC. We were talking about this because we don't have HVAC, typical HVAC, but we do have AC units similar to like a hotel, right?
Exactly. It's a PTAC system, so it's a heat pump AC, and it's a plug and play. Again, we just want to make it simplistic to be delivered and off-grid.
All right, let's go take a look at the back. We'll walk here. Look, here's the living area, folks. You can see that. They kind of just, this is sort of a model of one. It's not a full house to show you. He did say there's some, we'll have some video of that, but they actually have some locations around town where maybe you can see a full one, but for the purpose of this video, let's go back here into the bedroom. And now this model's going to be changed from what Steve was telling me because they moved some things around, and in particular, this area right here, right, Steve?
Yes, yeah. So what we did was, this is a washer dryer combo. It's ventless, and what we want to do is get more floor space and more storage space. So we took that washer dryer and we put it underneath the vanity in the bathroom, and we moved the hot water heater behind the refrigerator, so it's got more floor space up to a queen size bed.
Check out this, y'all. This is nice. Look at these floors. Shower. So in the other unit, the washer and dryer goes over here under the cabinet. Okay.
Yep.
So this is an older model. They got a newer model coming up and stuff. But this is nice, y'all. This is, this isn't like living in a shack. This is getting a full-on individual accessory dwelling unit that you can use for your mom and dad if they're going to be living multi-generational, or granny flat if grandma wants to live there.
Home office, yeah.
Home office, and also as we look here, Steve was telling me because they were able to make more room, you can actually get a queen size bed in here now, right?
Correct. We left this exposed so you can see that we use treated material, high pressure treated material, so that it's resistant to mold, mildew, and termites.
Termites, which South Florida has.
You'll see up here these hinges. So the roof is actually the wall of the container when it comes out, and it's not a container, the home in the box.
Yeah.
But you see how hard I slid it?
Yeah.
So everything, all the cabinets are soft close technology, as well as the privacy for the bedroom.
Nice. So this is what the new unit will look like. So you got the shower here, your toilet, and then the washer and dryer underneath the cabinet. So this is what the new model will look like from the room I just walked out of.